Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you need to do is check whether your device is compatible with Apple Intelligence. Not every iPhone supports it. Apple Intelligence works on the iPhone 15 Pro and newer models, including all iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 devices, as well as iPhone Air. Some iPads and Mac computers are also compatible. Once you've confirmed compatibility, the next step is to make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18 or above. Go to Settings, then go to General, Software Update, and install the latest update. After updating, scroll down in Settings and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. If Apple Intelligence is turned off, simply toggle it on. Your iPhone may need to download additional data, or you might see a short wait message. This is normal. Since Apple Intelligence works closely with Siri, you'll also need to make sure Siri is enabled. To do that, tap on Hey Siri and follow the setup prompts. Once Siri is set up, Apple Intelligence will be active. You'll know it's working when you see a visual glowing border appear around the edges of your screen when you say Hey Siri. If you see that visual border, Apple Intelligence has successfully been enabled. And that's it. So that is how you can enable Apple Intelligence on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.